Osmo Action 3 Stabilization Modes. Osmo Action 3 supports 3 stabilization modes, which allow you to create stable footage. In the middle of the camera view, swipe left or right to enter the shooting mode page, and then select video mode. Swipe up or tap the parameter at the bottom to enter the parameter setting page, and then select the video resolution and frame rate. Tap the stabilization mode icon in the upper right corner to select the stabilization mode, including off, rock steady, horizon balancing, and horizon steady. Rock steady is recommended for first-person perspective shooting. Horizon balancing can correct the tilt horizontally within plus or minus 45 degrees. Horizon steady keeps footage horizontally level, even over heavy bumps and 360-degree rotations. In fast-moving scenarios, it is recommended to set the exposure mode to auto. After selection, you can press the shutter record button to start shooting. Thanks for watching.